Ever wondered how a blast wave is totally different from an earthquake wave? Let's break it down in 60 seconds. Earthquakes send four main types of waves: P waves, S waves, love waves, and Rayleigh waves. They ripple through the earth, shaking everything but following natural geological layers. But explosions? They create brutal SO waves, sharp shock waves that compress the air violently forward. If a human is inhaling during this moment, the air pressure can inflate the lungs and cause them to rupture, leading to instant suffocation. Close to the blast? It's like getting smashed by a speeding bus. Massive internal bleeding. Even worse, the suction phase after the shock wave rips the body apart, throwing organs in all directions. Blast waves aren't just a sound, they're a deadly force. Always respect the shock wave.